Stop. You have been eating pears the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic guide to the high-performance chemistry hidden in the world's most elegant fruits. Most people see the pear as just a softer, sandier version of an apple, a simple snack to be peeled and sliced. But by discarding the skin or eating them before they reach their peak enzyme state, you are neutralizing the most potent lung-hydrating and gut-sweeping medicine in the temperate world. To understand the true power of the pear, we have to look back at its ancient roots in the high-altitude regions of Asia and Europe. For thousands of years, traditional healers didn't just prize it for its sweetness, they used it as a primary tonic to extinguish internal fire, clear respiratory passages, and heal the digestive lining. This isn't just a fruit, it is a solar-powered hydration system designed to reinforce your body's mucosal barriers and shield your cells from systemic dryness. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of a pear, the density of its biological tools is staggering. While it's famous for vitamin C and potassium, the real secret lies in a unique group of compounds called luteolin and quercetin. These are powerful flavonoids, concentrated almost exclusively in the skin. But the standout feature is the lignin and pectin fiber complex. Pears contain more pectin than apples, which is a specialized prebiotic fiber that acts as a biological broom for your colon. Furthermore, pears are a rare source of boron, a trace mineral that is critical for how your body metabolizes calcium and maintains bone density. When you consume a pear correctly, you aren't just getting a nutrient boost, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to lower systemic inflammation and stabilize your digestive transit time. The health benefits of this graceful healer are especially profound for your respiratory system and your metabolic stability. The high concentration of water-soluble fibers and organic acids in pears works as a natural internal moisturizer, thinning out thick mucus in the lungs and soothing irritated throat tissues. For your blood, the specialized flavonoids work in perfect harmony to improve insulin sensitivity and protect your arteries from oxidative stress. Moreover, the unique stone cells or sclerides in the pear's flesh, those slightly gritty grains, act as a physical scrub for your intestinal walls, promoting a healthy microbiome. It is a complete internal purification and hydration system, wrapped in a delicate skin that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the skin mistake and the ripeness trap. First, 95% of the anti-inflammatory flavonoids and over half of the fiber are located in the skin. If you peel your pear, you are throwing the DNA-protecting shield in the trash. To eat a pear right, you must consume the skin, which means buying organic is non-negotiable to avoid the pesticides that settle in its pores. Furthermore, most people eat pears when they are still rock hard or when they are mushy and fermenting. A pear is a unique fruit that ripens from the inside out. If you wait until the outside is soft, the inside is already over the hill. To capture the peak enzymes, you must use the check the neck method. Apply gentle pressure to the stem end. If it gives slightly, the internal medicine is at its maximum potency. Of course, even a lung-hydrating superfood like the pear requires some strategy. Because pears are high in fructose and sorbitol, individuals with severe IBS or those sensitive to FODMAPs should consume them in moderation to avoid digestive bloating. Additionally, because pears are effective at cooling the body, traditional wisdom suggests that those with a very cold constitution or chronic diarrhea should enjoy them poached or steamed with warming spices like ginger or cinnamon to balance their thermal properties. Most importantly, if you are looking for the maximum lung-clearing effect, traditional preparations recommend steaming the pear with a bit of honey to unlock its respiratory enzymes. Selecting a superior, nutrient-dense pear is a game of neck and shine. Avoid pears with soft spots on the main body or those that look dull and shriveled. Look for a pear with a vibrant color, whether it's the golden hue of an Asian pear or the deep red of a stark crimson. Give it the neck test. If the neck is firm, the fruit is still developing its sugars. If it has a slight spring, it's ready to heal you. The ultimate secret is the stem scent. A high-potency pear will have a delicate floral perfume at the stem end. If it smells like nothing, it has no soul. Once you have your perfect pears, storage is about temperature control. Pears are picked mature but not ripe. Keep them at room temperature in a paper bag to concentrate the ethylene gas and trigger the ripening process. Once they pass the neck test, move them to the refrigerator immediately to pause the breakdown of nutrients. By choosing the most fragrant fruit and refusing to peel away the medicine, you are turning a simple snack into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the pear as just a side dish and start treating it as the lung-hydrating and gut-sweeping miracle it truly is. Your lungs, your bones, and your gut will thank you.